Ever found yourself asking why you're spending precious time on apps that offer you nothing in return? It's a common problem, right? We download these apps hoping for entertainment but end up feeling like we're just throwing our time away. What if I told you there's an app that not only keeps you entertained but also rewards you for your time? Intrigued? Meet CashWay, an exciting blend of fun and earning. Well, it's time to say goodbye to wasting time and hello to CashWay, where fun meets earnings. Wondering what this CashWay is all about? Well, let's dive right in. CashWay is an innovative Android app that turns your time into money. Imagine playing your favorite mobile games or taking simple surveys and getting paid for it. Sounds too good to be true, right? But with CashWay, that's exactly what you get. This app offers a range of fun tasks, and for each one you complete, you earn cash. That's not all. CashWay likes to share the love. When you invite your friends to join the fun, you'll earn extra cash based on their earnings too. CashWay takes pride in its quick, reliable payouts, and the cherry on top? The incredibly low minimum cash out threshold. You only need to accumulate a mere 1 penny before you can request a payout. With over 100,000 downloads and an impressive 4.7-star rating, CashWay is making waves in the app world. In a nutshell, CashWay is more than just an app. It's a fun, easy way to earn money. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it from satisfied CashWay users. First, meet Sarah, a university student who's always on the lookout for easy ways to make money. CashWay is a dream come true for me, she says. The tasks are fun, and I get to earn money while playing games. Plus, the daily rewards are a nice bonus. Next, let's hear from Mike, a busy professional who appreciates quick payouts. I love how I can cash out with just a penny in my account. It's super quick and reliable, and the money goes straight into my PayPal. And finally, we have Emily, a stay-at-home mom who enjoys inviting her friends to join the app. Not only do I get to earn extra cash from my own tasks, but also from my friends' earnings. It's a win-win. Still in doubt? With over 100,000 downloads on the Google Play Store and an impressive 4.7-star rating, CashWay's popularity speaks for itself. Ready to stop wasting time and start earning money? Let's talk about a game-changing app that's turning time into money. It's called CashWay, and it's designed for folks like you who want to maximize their time and earnings. Now, we all have mobile games that we love to play, right? But imagine playing your favorite games and getting paid for it. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what CashWay offers. It's a fun, easy, and rewarding way to earn cash for your time. Whether you're waiting for the bus, having your lunch break, or just chilling at home, you can turn those spare moments into cash. And what's more, CashWay is absolutely free and simple to use. There are no hidden fees, no complicated procedures. You just download the app, sign up, and start playing to earn. And the best part, you can cash out your earnings every day, directly to your PayPal account. Yes, you heard it right, every single day. And let's talk about the minimum cash out threshold. It's just 1 penny. Unbelievable, right? No more waiting to accumulate a large amount before you can cash out. With CashWay, every penny counts. Download CashWay today and join the community of users who are having fun and earning money. And don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Deep read.